All right, so what we got is a Ford Edge, and we have a P0456 error message, and it shows that it's an evaporation system leak, very small leak. And I'm going to show you what I did to correct this problem. So in this case, the fix is relatively simple. On this model of the Ford Edge or this year, they have a capless gas tank, which for convenience wise works great. The problem that occurs is that you can see there's a little spring on this side, and there's also one on the opposite side. And when you go to get gas in your car, these two side release, which allows this to open. The problem is that over time, this area in here gets kind of gunky. These springs get a little bit stiff because of probably crud and dirt and who knows what else gets built up in there. So the easy fix is to get yourself a fiber cloth and put some WD-40 on it. Not a whole lot. I just spray some WD-40 on an edge, get up in here and work these springs on each side using this. Also wipe around the rim here. Now if you want to, and I didn't find it necessary on mine, but what you can do is you can depress these two releases on the sides, get a wood dowel or end of an old toothbrush or something, and push that flap open. On the upper side of the flap is a little spring up here, and you can wipe down that spring, and that may give you a little bit better seal when you are done getting gas. But anyways, this is what the problem is. This sustains slightly open, which is giving you that very small evaporation leak, and ultimately triggering the check engine light on the car. So that's it. Just thought I'd share that with you guys. Hope this fixes your problem as well.